LYS friends. I'm here with Krista from Customer Service, who is going to be our hands today as we present an unboxing, there they are, of the rep kit in a box. This is something new that we're going to be offering for our shops who, for whatever reason, aren't able to get out and see a rep with them, or maybe want to do it in their own luxurious time and can't quite make the schedules line up. So we have created this little doozy that will provide you guys with an overview. Krista, you want to start showing us some stuff?
Yeah, of course. So every single one of these, every time you get one of these rep kits, you will have a catalog and a price list in the catalog so that you can also go over. That'll show you all of the colors, everything available. You will have a Donna kit and one of our wonderful DelaQ bag kits. So this has everything that they need. It has a nice hang tag on it so you can display these in your stores. And then into the meat. So what you have is one of these really beautiful black glossy boxes. It just opens here in the front and goes right back. Inside you will find all of our different yarns. With this you have 2 boxes that have all of the universal products in them. And then 1 box has the rest of our lines such as Fibra, Wisdom, Rossetti, Garden. So with this you can see you have everything in here just perfectly easy to, reach in, take a look at exactly what you want to see. Yeah, it's a really nice little kit.
Show us another box. Show us another box.
I can do that. So, and we have them stacked in here so that you guys do not end up, dumping all the contents out. So this is the Fibra, Wisdom, Garden, and Rossetti. So you can see, so you have the hanks laying on top here of our wonderful flax radiant cotton. This is a new yarn that you guys will get to see here soon, Wacky Sacky. And then below here you can actually see some of the donut balls are on the bottom. So definitely make sure you dig through all the boxes because there might be some hidden underneath. So this one has all of those products in it, and then this last box will have the rest of the universal. And what we will be doing is when you are all done with your kit, you can very, very easily box it right back up in this box. We will send you a shipping label and you can get it out to the very next store. So this one has all of our wonderful deluxe line, Bamboo Bloom, Universe, and then again, some of these little hidden goodies there at the bottom. There's Revolutions peeking through. So yeah, really great. It'll be a great way for everybody to really look and see the products, feel, touch, and not have to feel, rushed going through it.
Thank you, Krista. Our plan right now is that you guys will get a day with the box to just kind of look through it and see what you think about it, et cetera, and then one of our handy-dandy office staff will be in touch with you to talk you through the yarns and to share with you what we've been doing with it and answer any questions you might have. And then after that, think about it for a day or so and send it on along to the next shop. So we hope that this will help you get a really good idea of what Universal is and what you can do. And we thank you. We look forward to sending you something.
Bye.